Last month we got 53 new subscribers, which is insane. You guys, thank you so much. Please stay safe out there. Stay humble. Let's get on with this video. Hey! Oh! Oh!
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tiny bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen it. Shawty love the way I whip it in the two.
Welcome back to another Honest Opinions reaction. Today, we're going to be bringing KSI to the stand.
Oh, hell no.
KSI
Don't nobody want to see that.
If y'all don't shut y'all old selves up, man, and watch this video, and make sure you hit that subscriber button. KSI, I hope you are bringing either some bars or some vocals to the table in this video, because I have a very high standard for you, my friend. Not like Black Jesus high, but like Michael Blackson high. Yeah, that's alright. So let's get this video started. Alright, so it's starting out with bullying. Okay. Okay. Yo. This is a fresh nerd, bro. Like, look at her. She rocking that pink. Yeah, she matching and stuff. Can I see her? You gotta get. She killing that pink. She killing that pink. Come on now. You ain't no nerd.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh,
okay.
Now the feels hit me differently.
Let's go.
When they
See, that's how you know KSI is serious about this Jake Paul mess. See, right? Right. He already got a boxing video.
in this deep, don't play.
Y'all can sing, bro.
Hey,
okay. Hey, okay. I like this beat though. This nigga hard. Yo, I'm dead. See, now this is what I like about KSI. Like, I'm sure Jake Paul's gonna come back and be like, "Oh, look, he can't box." Nah, that man he can have fun with it. He can make fun of himself. Yo, I'm dead. Man, him with the windmill punch. Go ahead, train her up, bro. Make her a champ.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get a UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you.
Oh!
I'm obsessed with the sand on you.
Okay.
On your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you.
Hey!
Listen, you're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen.
Oh!
My time is you.
Oh!
Listen, this isn't
Oh!
a two-way street.
Oh! Yeah! Okay. Hold on. Why we get too hyped with this right now? Yo, this some techno-ish, and I don't know, bro. Some lively music, bro. What you talking about? I'm feeling that. Hold on, we gotta run that back. All right, I wasn't even listening. I was just enjoying the everything with it. So I like it when KSI, like, sometimes he decides to give you bars. Sometimes he wants to give you something hardcore, right? Every time, but he can make a song too. You know what I'm saying? He can make a song too. It's whatever. I'm rocking with this so far. The beat go hard. Oh, what's her name? Anne-Marie? Yo, she can sing, bro.
don't play.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get a UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to
couldn't give her the AC, bro. Give her the AC now, bro. Pay for her air conditioning. He's talking about AC air conditioning, right? I'm assuming he is. All right, let's go.
get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you.
That's how you know she fine. Coco Chanel on body in check, okay?
Now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes.
I love that switch up, though. Now you just gone missing. And, all right, I need to stop getting high. I need to listen to it. I need to listen. Okay.
Online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No,
Okay, KSI, I see you, bro. They voices mesh so well, bro. Like, I like it. It's a good collab. Don't play games with her, bro. Yo, dude. This man said, ouch. Ow, bruh. Like, she kicked that man in his nuts, dude. What? Oh, chill out. And then she tried to break his neck.
All the things you
the girl who is bullying her, is that the same girl who's like in this fight club? Is that what's happening?
Heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say
Who's that? That's
goodbye. Every game you
Dude like Jason Derulo.
you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And now when
Kick
I'm
that man through the wall.
Cause now you just gone missing.
Hey.
You're airing all my wishes. You're all
She feeling herself. Look at her. Hold on. Look. I'm a diamond, girl. Looking all Egyptian.
missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing
Yo, I'm
silent
rocking
on
with this
repeat.
song,
Call
bro.
me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride.
That's not her.
don't play games with my heart. Ooh, yeah. Now the feels hit me different.
Yo, what the heck?
When they hit
Yo, this chick is strong, bro. Look at that. Look at these muscles. She cut, bro. She cut. Ain't no way you can win this one. I'm sorry. Ain't no way you can win this one. It's over. Ain't no way.
differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play.
Play word.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, yeah.
Come on now. Throw some hands. I want these kicks with some hands. We thought you boxing. That was a lot of smoke that popped up off of that kick, though. Yeah. Hold up. What mask is that, bro? I want that. That mask go hard. Bro, KSI. Give me one of these masks, bro. Like, come on, dog. Look at him being fresh with the green. I see him. Smack that girl while she's down. She's a champ. That what you're gonna be doing when you beat up Jake Paul, homie? That's what it's gonna look like. I mean, I don't know what to say. The video is pretty short and to the point. The song was fire. Like, I don't know, bro. I was feeling it. Like, I wanted to dance to it. I wanted to jig. You know what I'm saying? Like, what you mean? But as I said before, dude KSI did it again. He's doing great. He's doing big things. I'm real proud of him. Gives a lot of people inspiration. Keep it up, my dude. Like, this song was fire. Keep collaborating. Some people say that they want to see artists like not have features and you can't make platinum without features, all this other type of crap. Nah, don't listen to none of that. Make music, bro. Make what you like. This junk is fire. I like it. I rock with it. 8.5 out of 10. Just because you made me dance. Stop making me dance. Another video coming up soon. I promise. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna catch y'all later. It's your boy HT. Peace.
Into that swimming pool, I'm a fucking shark, nigga, spineless. Mistake weakness for the kindness. No pool, no rewind this. Now I put on them blinders. No friends or kin, just flatline this.